we're going to practice with our magic miniature. And when we hear the ah at the beginning, we're going to put the A in the first box. But if we hear the ah in the middle, we're going to put the A in the middle box. And I have a super fun strategy. That means a way to figure it out to really hear that sound in the middle. All right, let's take a look. We're going to go ahead and use one of the magic miniatures we've already talked about. I have alligator. I know at the beginning of alligator, I hear the ah. And I know that's the letter sound that goes with the letter A. So that means that my A is going to go at the beginning of my word. Alligator. Thumbs up. All right. But now I'm going to listen to my next word. My next word is a really fun, super word. And we get to use our cubes to first listen to the sounds and our fingers on our chin, our little phonemers. Okay. My word is rat. Let's listen to the sounds inside my word rat, right on our chin. Here we go. Rat. Now let's get out our cubes. We have rat. Now, I hear the r at the beginning, and that is not the sound that goes with my letter A. But if I want to hear my middle sound really carefully, then I'm going to stretch and sing my word. Are you ready to stretch and sing with me? Here we go. Rat. Did you hear the middle sound? Now let's sing it just to be doubly sure. Rat. I heard the A in the middle. So I'm going to take off that middle cube and I can put an A in the middle box. And that is how my letters help with sounds. Because when I see a letter written on the paper in a word, that tells me what sound I'm going to say. So, at, blended, rat. I've had so much fun learning about our letter A and also starting out writing it when we hear it in our words. I'll see you next time when I teach your super learning powers, one child at a time.